case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1981, the Florida District Court of Appeal heard the case of Savage v. Jacobsen Manufacturing Company, focusing on the issue of strict product liability for manufacturers. The lawsuit was filed by Sharon Savage, who slipped and fell while exiting a mowing tractor manufactured by Jacobsen Manufacturing Company. She claimed that her fall was due to the absence of a non-skid surface on the platform beneath the driver's seat. However, Jacobsen argued that the painted surface was intact and not slippery when the tractor was delivered. The court was tasked with determining whether the absence of a non-skid surface on a tractor constitutes a defect. Ultimately, the court ruled in favor of Jacobsen, affirming the summary judgment. They found that the platform had been initially manufactured with a gray non-skid painted surface, which was intact when delivered to the employer, but later wore off. The court found no evidence of a defect in the tractor, and therefore, Jacobsen Manufacturing Company could not be held strictly liable for the plaintiff's injuries. The case highlighted that manufacturers cannot be expected to create products with component parts that never wear out, and consumers are expected to use reasonable care in maintaining their purchases.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.